Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Disney castle is probably one of the most iconic and magical LEGO sets ever released, offering an unparalleled building experience for fans of all ages and a stunning display piece that captures the essence of Disney's enchanting world. This intricate set brings to life the beloved Cinderella Castle with incredible detail, from its towering spires and grand ballroom to its numerous minifigures and hidden surprises, making it a must-have for any serious LEGO collector or Disney enthusiast looking to recreate a piece of their favorite fairy tales. Number 5. Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle. Let your child's creativity soar as they build a magical princess castle world. This set encourages imaginative play with princes, princesses, and their enchanting kingdom. Crafted from safe, food-grade ABS plastic, these durable magnetic tiles feature doors, windows, and stairs. Your child can safely construct their very own winter castle and kingdom. This versatile set is compatible with other magnetic tile kits, making it perfect for expanding their collection. It's ideal for home, road trips, or playdates at the park. These educational tiles foster STEAM learning by developing fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and problem-solving abilities. Children learn through building, designing, and storytelling. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday for children aged 3 to 8 who love princess castles and building blocks. Watch as their imagination comes to life. These magnetic toys provide endless opportunities for creative play and storytelling, helping them build and design unique worlds. What we like? Build a magical princess world with this sparkling castle set. Its durable diamond tiles ensure long-lasting play and it's compatible with other magnetic tile sets. If you are looking for a gift that encourages imaginative play and can grow with your child's collection, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? This is a great set for any Disney fan, with lots of fun details and characters. The build was challenging but rewarding, and the final product looks amazing on display. My kids loved putting this together and playing with the characters afterwards. Number 4. LEGO Disney Stitch Toy Building Kit 43249. Bring the beloved character Stitch to life with this fun LEGO building set. It's perfect for fans of the hit movie Lilo and Stitch, ages 9 and up. This set includes a buildable Stitch figure, an ice cream cone, and a flower accessory. You can pose him in various ways for display or imaginative play. Customize your creation. You can move his ears up or down and turn his head to change his expression. He can even hold the ice cream cone accessory. Looking for a unique gift for a Disney fan? This building toy is ideal for birthdays or any occasion for kids aged 9 and older. The LEGO Builder app offers an intuitive building adventure. You can save your progress and view your model in 3D as you build. This engaging building toy helps foster creativity and fine motor skills. It's a fun way to develop important life skills through play. What we like? Bring home the beloved Stitch with this fun building kit. It features a posable figure with accessories like an ice cream cone and flower, perfect for display. If you are a fan of Lilo and Stitch or looking for a unique display piece that offers building fun, this set is ideal. What people say? The castle is huge and has many rooms to explore. The minifigures are very detailed and look just like the characters. It was fun to build and the instructions were easy to follow. Number 3. Soyee Magnetic Tiles Princess Castle Building Blocks. Does your child love the world of ice? These magnetic tiles bring that magic to life, allowing them to create their own icy adventures and stories. More than just blocks, this set includes dolls, doors, windows, and stairs. Your little one can build a magnificent winter castle and kingdom for their princess. Watch as they learn about science, technology, engineering, and math through play. They'll explore balance, stability, and the fascinating properties of magnets. Crafted from safe, durable ABS plastic with stronger magnets, these blocks connect easily for endless building possibilities. They encourage perseverance as kids tackle larger creations. Any child will be captivated by these diamond magnetic tiles. It's a fantastic gift that entertains for hours while teaching valuable construction and creativity skills. Give the gift of imagination. This set provides a fun present that will keep them entertained and learning for hours on end. What we like? Dive into an enchanting ice world with this extensive magnetic tile set. It includes special pieces like stairs and dolls, plus stronger magnets for more stable builds. If your child loves ice-themed stories and enjoys role-playing with figures, this set offers hours of creative construction. What people say. The castle is huge and has many rooms to explore. The minifigures are detailed and look just like the characters. It was fun to build and the instructions were clear. Number 2. Lego Disney Princess Twirling Ariel Toy 43259. Relive the magic of Disney's The Little Mermaid with this enchanting twirling Ariel toy. It's a fun building set perfect for kids aged 5 and up who love imaginative play. This playset lets you recreate iconic moments from the movie. It includes a special stand with a turntable, a beautiful Ariel mini doll figure, and her friend Flounder. Watch Ariel twirl by simply turning the key on the stand. You can even store the mini doll figure inside her sparkling dress using the umbrella as a lid. When playtime is over, this set becomes a charming display. Place Ariel, her fork, and the umbrella on the stand, or add Flounder for new story adventures. Looking for a birthday gift? This Lego Disney building set features beloved characters and an interactive turning plate, making it an exciting gift that's also great for on-the-go fun. Standing over 4 inches high, this building set is perfectly sized for little hands. It offers hours of creative play and display possibilities. What we like? Relive the magic of The Little Mermaid with this twirling Ariel toy. It features a spinning display stand and movie-accurate details for dynamic play. If you are a fan of Ariel and enjoy interactive play features, this set is perfect for recreating iconic scenes or creating new adventures. What people say. The castle is very detailed and looks great on display. The minifigures included are exclusive to this set and are a nice addition. The building instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. Number 1. Lego Disney Belle and the Beast's Castle 43196. Step into a world of enchantment with this magical castle playset. It brings the beloved story of Beauty and the Beast to life. Explore a 2-story castle filled with iconic rooms. Enjoy a spinning dance floor, a rotating closet, a library, and a dining room for endless fun. Bring your favorite characters to life with 10 figures, including 2 versions of Belle, the prince, and his loyal horse, Philippe. Discover magical accessories that add to the story. Find a ripped portrait of the prince and the iconic enchanted rose. Expand the play possibilities with horse riding, wagon drives, or hosting an enchanted party. The adventure is yours to create. Building is made easy with the included Instructions Plus app. Younger builders can zoom in and visualize their creation as they go. What we like? Step into the enchanting world of Beauty and the Beast with this detailed castle set. It comes with multiple characters and interactive features like a spinning dance floor. If you love classic Disney stories and enjoy building elaborate sets with many play possibilities, this castle is a dream come true. What people say. The set includes iconic characters and vehicles from the Star Wars universe, allowing for immersive play and display. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy pieces that fit together perfectly, ensuring durability for extended play. Detailed instructions make the building process straightforward and enjoyable, even for younger builders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.